3 pounds, 7 ounces on the 7-inch swim bait. What's up guys? Prism Fishing here, back with another video. Little bit different thing going on today. I got my buddy Jason here. Doing a little 1v1 challenge here. Jason, what's your fishing experience?
I fished like twice ever.
Solid. So basically teaching this guy how to fish. Let's get him on. All right, first cast. Just missed one already. Fantastic. Oh, you got one. Set a hook. Reel the rod or
I am.
Nice. First cast. All right, now swing him over. Don't reel it all the way up. Oh, you want to release your fish?
How do I do that?
Well, you put your thumb on its jaw just like that. Doesn't have any sharp teeth or anything like that.
Oh,
and then you just...
Goodbye, friend. Just yeet him?
Don't yeet him, but yeah, put him back.
Be nice.
There you go. You're already up. 1-0. You're getting demolished. Try to cast near that weed sticking up. There? Yep. Oh, just see that fish in front of you? Left the ripples. I've gotten a ton of hits though. Oh, you're on. Where? Nice, another largemouth.
It's scaring me.
All right.
Let me see a pro do it.
All right, so when you get your fish, you wanna lift them up, grab the line, and then, yeah, see, that is kind of scary when the hook is down like that, but you wanna just grab a hold of its jaw, and then you wanna tilt it up so it doesn't move, and then you just kinda, boop. There you go. There we go. Finally. First fish for me. Solid. First little fish. Thanks, dude. There we go. Back-to-back cast right there. Got one on right now. Nice little crappie there. Check that guy out. Thanks, dude. Now we're all tied up in the matter of 1 minute. Are you hooked up now? Oh yeah.
I think it's the same one I've been getting.
I don't think so.
Hold on.
There we go. I'm on. There we go. All tied up yet again. Oh, shoot. Quick release. Thanks, dude. There we go. Now we're all tied up again.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't just see me release that fish? Oh, I think you might have just missed one there. Gotta be paying attention. Oh, he came back. Oh, he came off. Doesn't count. No, it just doesn't count. You gotta at least touch him. You gotta get him on the land.
Are we making the rules up as we go?
No, it's an unwritten rule type of thing. Like you don't dig straight down in Minecraft. There's no specific rule, but you just don't do it. Yeah, we're all tied up at 3s. All right, let's try to get some fish that might be hanging out in this little pocket here. There's one. First cast in this little pocket. Now I'm up one, number 4. All right, took the lead by 1. Let's see if there's a couple more hanging out in this pocket. Damn, just missed him right there. There we go. Number 5. There we go. Number 5.
5?
That's 5 for me. Oh, shoot. I saw him eat right next to the shore. Gosh darn it. All I saw was this white flash and it was gone. Oh, there we go. Got a good hook set on him. Hit like a truck. That's a better bass. Upgrades, people, upgrades. Uh-oh, did we double? Did you lose him? Oh, thanks, dude. Feisty. Oh, thank God we weren't over there. Sprinklers turned on. There we go. He was swimming right at me. Didn't know I had one there. Oh no, now I'm stuck in the weeds. Oh, he came off. Gosh darn it. I saw the fish. Got a fish there?
Nope.
Oh, you naughty, you're teasing me. Yeah. That's gotta be a fish, right? Oh yeah. Oh, I think we just doubled up. Double up at the same time. We got our bites at the same time. I think I win.
I think you do.
Would you like to release your dink?
I would. My dink?
Yeah, that's what we call small fish. Dinks.
There's a guitar. Called a dinky.
Interesting.
Like smaller, which makes sense.
Exactly.
And
Holy crap, what did you do?
I threw it with all my might. I thought I was.
Oh, shoot! My glasses! Jinkies. Now it's 6-7. There we go. There's a fish. There we go, I'm at 8 now. It's a tiny little crappie. Tiny crappie. But there we go, we're going for numbers today. All right, let's see what's wrong with this kid.
Is that called a treble hook? Is that what you call it?
It's a treble hook because there's 3 hooks.
Treble. Oh.
But this one's broken, so there's only 2 on that one.
Would it be a bipedal hook?
I guess we could call it that. Pliers, always. Well, maybe not with this guy.
Boom.
It's 7-8 now, right? Yeah. Whew, shoot. Slingshot that guy.
That's 9.
Yep, this is fish number 9. Nice, you got one now? There you go. First crappie.
Bye-bye.
I think this is my 10th fish. Number 10, tiny little dude. Number 11. Oh, he's athletic. Let's go. Yes. Check that guy out. That is a nice fish. I think that's the best one of the day so far. Number 11. Thanks, dude. Oh, dang it. One of my eyes just came off. Shoot. That fish hit pretty hard. There we go. Number 12. Oh, that guy was barely hooked. Number 12.
Really?
Yep. Thanks, dude. Scores 8-12. Yeah, take your cast and then I'll cast wherever you go. Give it a jerk. Number 13. Thanks, dude. Use your hands. How big do you think that fish was? Shoo! So Jason just said that he saw a huge fish in the water. It doesn't sound like it was maybe like a 7-pounder, but it was probably 3 or 4. So that's interesting. Oh my God, I just cast it in there. I just cast it in there. A little crappie sucked it up right in the water. Number 14. Thanks, dude. There's another one. Oh, this one feels tiny. Hey, but this is a numbers day. And this guy number 15. I'll call him Burger King foot lettuce. Thanks, dude. Oh my God, that fish is running. Picked him up right in that tiny little weed bed there. And boom. There we go. Number 16. There we go. Thanks, dude. Oh, there we go. Shoot, missed him again. All right, so quick update. We're finished doing our 1v1. Jason, how many fish did you get?
8.
He got 8, and I just picked up 16. Double his score, but hey, not bad for your first time fishing.
Not bad.
When was the last time you fished?
At least like 2 years.
It's been a while. It's been a hot minute, but caught a ton of fish today. Saw a giant earlier. We didn't get that one to bite. All right, guys. So we ended up still fishing. Look at that. First fish on that 7-inch swim bait. Not a huge dude. Jason actually just caught a 5-pounder. That's why we're still fishing here. And that is why I'm using this swim bait now, because there might be some other big ones hanging around. That's so exciting. First fish on the swim bait. Like, this is not the biggest fish of the day by far. Check that out. Oh, did you get one now? Double? Nice. I'm gonna set this guy go. Thanks. Oh, it came off? Touch him before it gets away so it counts. All right, touched him. In front of me, guys. 8 the swim bait. Oh, I was literally about to bring it up for another cast. And check this out. I just started recording. I'm sure it's gonna be all hectic. Oh yeah. I don't think he's as big as yours though. Oh, he doubled?
Yeah, I also got my own.
Nice. All right, let's see who's bigger. Mine could probably eat yours. 3 pounds, 7 ounces. Look at that, guys. 3 pounds, 7 ounces on the 7-inch swim bait. Let's go ahead and give her a revive. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.